In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Roblox on iPhone 6. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up Roblox on your iPhone 6. Regardless of the model, you will be able to attempt this and play Roblox. So first, I just want to make something very clear. Because the iPhone 6 is an older iPhone model, while you will still be able to download and try to play Roblox, there is no guarantee that it is going to be stable. Because older iOS versions struggle by running modern games, you might encounter some problems, so keep all of that in mind. But all that you have to do is open the App Store on your device and look for Roblox. If Roblox is still available for your older iOS device, you will be able to find it there. So all that you have to do is choose Roblox from the Play Store or the App Store, and you will be able to download it. Once Roblox is downloaded, open the application on your iPhone 6, and you will be able to sign into your account to start playing. So the process is extremely straightforward. Once you are in, you will be able to sign into your account and browse through all of the experiences. Like I said, you might encounter problems while trying to do this. This is because the iPhone 6 is an older model. However, you can still attempt to see if it works, and if it does, you will be able to play. Just join any experience and see the performance. If you are unable to download Roblox from the App Store, it could be due to an older iOS version. So make sure that your iOS version is updated to the latest one available, and you will be able to get this working. Once you join the experience, you will be able to play, move your camera, move your character, use all of the buttons on the screen, and so on. Most experiences will work natively on any mobile device, so you will be able to join and play right away. You just need to make sure that you are running the latest version of Roblox available through the App Store. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Roblox on iPhone 6. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.